Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to all dear students. I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. I welcome to you all Abstract Online Support Program. This is your class 1 Mathematics assignment. Date is 9 August 2021, day Monday, and I am your teacher, Ms. Samavia Amir. Today I am going to teach you comparing and ordering numbers. Before I start our lesson, I share lesson objectives with you. Students will be able to comparing and ordering numbers. These are word banks, more, fewer, less, greater than, smaller than, bigger than, and less than. Okay, now here are two trees. When we compare the numbers or object, we use the term less and more. Okay? When we compare numbers or object, we use the term less and more. There are two trees. In this tree, they have more apples. And in this tree, they have less apple. Okay? Come to the next example. Circle the group with more pairs. You can identify in which group they have more pairs. Yes, in this group they have more pairs. Okay. Now, question number 2 is circle the group with fewer apples. Circle the group which have less apple. Okay. So, there is less apple. Count them. How many apple in this group? 1 and 2. And in this group, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 apples. What we can find? We can find the last apple. So, there is the last apple. In this group, there is less apple. Okay. The another example is we can find more objects. Okay. So, there are two group of buttons. In which group they have more buttons? Yes, this group have more buttons. The second example, there are two groups of balloons. In which group they have more balloons? Yes, there is more balloons. The third example is, there are two group of balls. In which group they have more balls? Yes, this group have more balls. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And this group have 2 balls. So what we can find? We can find the more balls. Okay. The another example is, there are also two group of dice. We can find the more. So in this group, they have 2 dice, and in this group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have 6 dice. It means they have the more dice. Okay. Come to the example. Another example, more and less. Count the number of objects and circle the lowest group. We can circle the lowest group. There are the group of ice cream. There are two groups, 1 and 2. In each one group, the first group, how many ice cream there? Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this group, 1 and 2. So what we can find? We can find the lowest group. So this is the lowest group, okay? There are the group of candies. We can find the lowest group. Yes, this one is the lowest group. Okay, now come to the another example. There are the group of books. We can find the lowest group. So there are 4 books and they have 2 books. So lowest, which one is the lowest group? This one is the lowest group. Okay. So students, this is your workbook page number 6. The question is count and write the number and cross the set that has more things. What you can do? You can do cross the set that has more things. Okay. First example has been done. So how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bricks or blocks. Okay. And the second group, how many bricks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10 bricks. Okay. What we can do? We can cross the set that has more things. So we cross the more thing, more blocks, number 10. Okay. Come to the another example. There are two group of cupcakes. We can firstly we count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, write down the 8 in this box and again count this group. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. What we can do? We can cross the more things. So we can cross this group. Okay. Now come to the another page, page number 7. The question is count and write the numbers. Cross the set that has fewer things. Okay. Firstly, we count and write the object in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 objects. And in this group, how many objects there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects. So students, what we can do? We can cross the fewer thing. So we can cross this group. Okay. The same. Firstly, we count how many objects are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write down the 7 in this box. And again, the count second group of objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8 in this box. Okay. We can do the, we can cross the fewer things. So, we cross the fewer things. Okay. Today, your homework is textbook page number 6 and 7 and workbook pages 6 and 7. I hope you have understood this lecture. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.